becomes your cutting surface, right? Boom. Fantastic. And now, I'm going to take this down into big cubes. We're going to use a tool that I put right here. Here we go. Again, stock dust supplies at Home Depot. I want it to come in at about 10 inches, so just going to mark it, here. And I'm going to mark on this side so I can actually see it. I know this isn't really quite level, but it's pretty good. The flatter, the better. All right. So you first make the big cut in the middle. I'm going to cut down to this line I just scored, or something near that line. Yeah. You know how scientific I am. And then we're going to cut into it, and then we're going to kind of hit it loose, if you will. So.